The Maternity Benefit Act 1961. The Maternity Benefit Act 1961 is a legislation that benefits the employment of women during the time of their maternity. It ensures the woman employee of maternity benefits, which is getting their salary paid during the absence from work to take care of the newborn child. This applies to any establishments employing more than 10 employees. This act was further amended under the Maternity Amendment Bill 2007. The act is an important piece of legislation that protects the dignity of motherhood. It also helps ensure that working women are able to provide proper care for their children. In addition to protecting the rights of women, maternity benefits also help women with their finances. Applicability. The Maternity Benefit Act 1961 is also applicable to establishments such as factories, mines, and plantations. It is also applicable to government establishments that are employed for acrobatic equestrian performance. The above act is also applicable to any organization that employs more than 10 employees a day during the preceding 12 months, which is applicable to any shop or establishment in the particular state of India. This act is also applicable to various plants and organizations. It must be followed for the goodwill of the employees. Each company must follow this act and provide certain benefits to the employees. This ensures that the proper health of the employees is maintained and they get the best possible service in return. Their employees grows the company and hence their well-being is a must. Eligibility. The eligibility of Maternity Benefit Act 1961 is described as follows. To be entitled to access the benefits under this act, the employee woman must be employed with the establishment for a period of 80 odd days in the past 12 months. Provisions of Maternity Benefit Act 1961. The provisions of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961 covers the whole of India, in addition to public hospitals, nursing homes, schools, and other establishments. The Act also covers women who miscarry. If a woman miscarries during the pregnancy or gets an abortion, she will be entitled to a maximum of 6 weeks of paid leave. If she gives birth before this time, the wages will be paid within 48 hours of production of the birth certificate. As per the Maternity Benefit Act 1961, women were entitled to 12 weeks of maternity leave. However, under the Maternity Benefit Amendment Act 2017, the leave period has been increased from 12 to 26 weeks. The time of maternity benefit of 26 weeks can be broken down to avail up to 8 weeks of leaves before the due date of delivery and the remaining leaves after the childbirth. The maximum period of maternity leaves of 26 weeks can be availed for up to 2 children. For women with more than 2 children, the leave duration is 12 weeks. The Act also specifies that a woman is not required to work for 6 weeks following a miscarriage unless the miscarriage is a result of medical termination of the pregnancy. Additionally, 12 weeks of leaves can be availed by surrogate mothers and mothers who have adopted a child below 3 months of age. Prior notice. The Act stipulates that an employer must give pregnant woman the necessary notice before their child is due. The employer is obliged to provide her with the notice within 48 hours. This way, the employee will be aware of the policy. If the woman is willing to work from home, she can request maternity benefits. The employee must be informed about the maternity benefits during the initial appointment. If the employee refuses, the employer is legally obligated to pay the benefit. No organization will accept the resignation or the leave without any notice period. The Act is developed for the employees and hence they need to make perfect use of it along with the organization. Conclusion. The Maternity Benefit Act 1961 has created a foundation for women to feel confident and secure. Its main goal is to safeguard motherhood and provide a stable financial environment for both. It protects the dignity of a mother and her child and provides financial aid to an individual. The Act is an example of the power of the law to give rights to mothers. Successful implementation of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961 has made a woman's future a lot more secure. The Act gives a certain benefit to the employees, which eventually helps them have a smooth pregnancy period.